Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install eBay for dropshipping sales step by step clearly. To start, visit eBay's homepage. Click on the register button located at the top left corner. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and password. After entering your details, click on Create Account. Check your email for a verification message from eBay. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your eBay account using your email and password. Next, navigate to the Account Settings. In the Account Settings, find the Site Preferences section. Locate the Selling Preferences and click on Edit. Enable the business policies for your listings. Choose whether to accept returns and set your handling times. Now, set up your payment method by going to Payment Information. Select your preferred payment processor, like PayPal or direct bank transfer. Link your bank account or PayPal account as required. Once your payment method is set, return to the home page. Use the search bar to find items you want to dropship. Research suppliers who offer those items at a competitive price. Contact potential suppliers to confirm their dropshipping terms. Once you choose a supplier, create listings for the products on eBay. Include high-quality images and compelling descriptions. Set your price competitively while considering eBay fees. Make sure to factor in shipping costs and delivery times. After creating your listings, regularly monitor your sales and customer inquiries. Respond promptly to customer questions to maintain good ratings. When a sale occurs, place the order with your supplier immediately. Ensure the supplier ships directly to your customer. Track your order and keep your customer updated on shipping progress. After the order is delivered, follow up for feedback to improve your service. Continuously analyze your sales data to identify trends and optimize listings. Finally, adjust your strategies based on market demand and customer preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.